That's all.
Tonight is on iTunes. I never forget stuff like this.
Rachel, I am trying to do the internet.
The first one that stays up till 12 o'clock in the morning. The night before, and it's like the first one you find. I bet it is number one on iTunes.
I'm gonna restart the computer.
No part in it. Oh my god, tonight is on iTunes.
You can tell she's an emotional wreck right now.
I forgot. I went on my phone. I was looking at new ringtones. And tonight is like number one.
Destiny. It was like destiny. It was like destiny. You just had. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign.
Oh no.
Oh, what?
I can't believe I forgot. I have my whole calendar on my phone to be Jonas Brothers stuff. And I forgot.
Call Kimmy and be like, Rachel, are you crying?
I never forget stuff like that.
Rachel.
I gotta call Kim.